Welcome. In front of me is HP Stream 14, and in this video I will show you what to do if your laptop is not turning on. So first of all, make sure that your laptop isn't discharged. Just plug it to the power source, plug in the charging cable, and make sure that the light next to the charging port starts glowing once you plug in the charging cable. As you can see, it uses the standard barrel HP charging cable port. So just let it charge for a while and then turn it on by pressing the power button, and your device should start turning on normally. But if if it's not happening, then make sure that you have a proper AC adapter and a cable for your device. I strongly recommend that you use the original ones. And now your original AC adapter should look somewhat like this. Let the camera focus. And as you can see, it provides your device with 45 watts of power, which is the least that your device needs for charging. So if you are using a substitute, then check if it's providing your device with at least 45 watts of power, and if it's not, then replace it with the other AC adapter. And also make sure that you are using an AC adapter from a reputable source, because cheap AC adapters might break your device. Now, if nothing of this helps, then maybe your device was exposed to extremely hot or cold temperatures. In such case, devices should be left for recovery for up to 12 hours of standby mode without charging cable plugged in. And after that, after the recovery, plug in the charging cable and then repeat the previous steps. So let your device charge a little and then try turning it on. And now if your device still doesn't want to turn on, then maybe there is a hardware problem inside. In such case, I recommend you contacting the HP customer support service, or just heading to the nearest repair center and letting them take care of your device. And that's it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.